Good morning and welcome to Bottega Training. Bottega is a family company with 4 centuries of history and tradition. We own 4 wineries and also 2 distilleries in Italy. Moreover, in the last 9 years, 30 Bottega Prosecco bars have opened around the world and gained more than 350 awards for quality. Bottega is the #1 supplier of still wines in the global duty-free market and the second most sold sparkling wine in travel retail. Bottega is present in 155 countries worldwide and available on 64 airlines. Bottega is distributed by 650 distributors and has a brand awareness of 1 billion people. Bottega's full-year total sales are around 87 million euros, and 85% of these are from the export market. Now let's see where the 4 wineries we previously mentioned are located. In the Veneto region, we have the Sparkling Winery and the Distillery in Bibano, Treviso, the Ancestral Winery in Vittorio Veneto, Treviso, and the Valpolicella Winery in Valgatara, Verona. Meanwhile, in the Tuscan region, there is our Montalcino Winery. Our headquarters are in Bibano, an entirely restored Venetian villa maintaining the original architecture and reusing the original materials as much as possible, even as far as the plants of the historic garden. Here are the offices, our Prosecco and Sparkling Winery and our distillery, where we produce Prosecco and Sparkling Wine, grappa, gin and liqueurs. The Vittorio Veneto Winery is in a privileged location, protected by the Prealps and caressed by the sound of the stream. Here, we produce ancestral wines, traditional wines, and premium white wines in aging. The Valgatara Winery is in the classic area of Valpolicella. It is a territory dedicated to the production of grapes for Valpolicella wines. In this winery, you can find continuity with the tradition of the production of Amarone and also contemporary style, thanks to research and development on new methods of aging. Here we produce Valpolicella red wines, such as Amarone and Ripasso. The Montalcino Winery is an entirely restored historical cellar. It is in the territory dedicated to red wines and it is protected by the wood. Here you will find research and development of woods for barrels and barriques to obtain the best Montalcino wine from Sangiovese Grosso grapes, wisely cultivated on favourable soil. In Montalcino we produce red wines such as Brunello di Montalcino. Moreover, Bottega also owns a blown glass factory where the master glass blowers expertly produce glasses and bottles for our grappa. Thank you for listening.